Children, in part 5 video of simple equations, let us solve few more word problems. Now, see the first problem here. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. Now, let us understand the problem. Here, sum means result of addition. Sum of two numbers is 95 means if you add two numbers, the result is 95. Now, what's the condition between the two numbers here? If one exceeds the other by 3. Exceeds means here more. If one number is 3 more than the other number, then we have to find the numbers. Now you see the solution here. Now let us take the first number as it is unknown. We'll represent with the variable, any variable. Here I took x. Let's take the first number as x. Now as per the problem, the second number is x plus 3 because it is 3 more than the x. So x plus 3. Now they given sum of two numbers is 95. So sum of two numbers is 95. We'll add first number and second number to get 95. X is first number plus second number is x plus 3. By adding this we get 95. Now first you add the variables here. 1x plus 1x which is 2x. 2x plus 3 is equal to 95. Now here let us solve the equation here by transposing method. Here 3 we are adding on the left hand side. So if you transpose to the right side, we subtract. So 2x is equal to 95 minus 3. Then we get 2x is equal to 95 minus 3 which is 92. Now here 2 is multiplied by x. When you transpose to the right side, we divide by 2. Now 92 by 2. Do the cancellation here. 2 1s are 2, 2 46 are 92. So therefore we get x is equal to 46. Now this x is nothing but your first number. So our first number is 46. So how we get second number here? Second number is x plus 3. So we substitute 46 in place of x. So 46 plus 3 which is 49. So these are our required numbers. Now how to check your answer here? Add the first number and second number. 46 plus 49 which is 95. So our required numbers are satisfies this. So which are correct answers, correct values we got it. Now let us do the another sum. Children, this is very interesting sum. Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Now find the integers. Now here this consecutive is a new word for you. So what do you mean by consecutive here? Consecutive means continuous numbers, that is numbers which follow some order. Now for example, what are the three consecutive integers beginning with 4? Means what you will say here? First you will say 4. Immediately the next number is 5. Next 6. Yes or no? Now here what pattern does it follow? Can you say? What is the first number here? 4. Now if you add 1 to the first number, then we get second number. If we add 2 to the first number, that is 4 plus 2, we get third number. So basing on this pattern, now let us consider here in the solution, let three consecutive integers beginning with x, we take first as x. Then what is the next number here? If we add 1 to x, then we get second number. Now if we add 2 to x, then we get third number. So these are the three consecutive integers beginning with x. Now according to the sum here, they given sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Then what we will do here? We add all these three integers. Now let us add here. First x plus second integer x plus 1 plus third integer x plus 2 which is equal to 24. Now first we have to add the variables. How many x's we have? 1x, 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 total 3. So 3x plus next you add the constants 1 plus 2 which is 3. Now 3x plus 3 is equal to 24. Now let us solve this equation by transposing method. Now here 3 we are adding on the left hand side. If you transpose to the right side, we subtract. So we get 3x is equal to 24 minus 3. Then we get 3x is equal to 21. Now 3x means you know that 3 is multiplied by x. When you transpose to the right side, we divide by 3. So x is equal to 21 by 3. Now simplify here. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. Now what is the value of x we got it here? 7. This 7 is nothing but your first integer. So therefore the first integer x is equal to 7. Then how we get the second integer? By adding 1 to the x. So x plus 1, which is 7 plus 1, then we get 8. This is your second integer. Now you see the third integer. Third integer in terms of x, x plus 2. Substitute 7 in place of x. 7 plus 2, which is 9. So what are our required integers? 7, 8, 9. So here, how to check the answer? By adding 7, 8 and 9, we get 24. So here 7, 8, 9 are 3 consecutive integers beginning with 7. I think you understand what is consecutive. So correct answer we got it here. 7, 8, 9 are 3 consecutive numbers beginning with 7. Now let us solve another problem. Find the length and breadth of a rectangle given below if its perimeter is 72 meters. Now you see the figure here. Length is 5x plus 4, breadth x minus 4. So length of a rectangle 5x plus 4 meters, breadth of a rectangle x minus 4 meters. Units are very important, children, you must write. Now if you observe here, length and breadth are in terms of x. Without finding x, we can't find the dimensions. So let us find what is x. Using what is given here, perimeter of a rectangle 72 meters. Perimeter is nothing but the total length of the boundary. So as you know that perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 72 meters. Now let us substitute length and breadth values. Then we find x. What is length here? 5x plus 4. So 2 into 5x plus 4. This plus is formula plus. Next breadth, which is x minus 4. So substitute here x minus 4, which is equal to 72 meters. Here plus 4 and minus 4 we can cancel because 4 minus 4, 0. Now you have to add variable terms. 5x plus x. This is 1x. 5x plus 1x we get 6x. This is 2 into nana. If there is no symbol, it indicates multiplication. So 2 into 6x, which is equal to 72 meters. Now what is 2 6 are? 12x. 12x is equal to 72 meters. Now let us transpose. Here by 12 we are multiplying on the left hand side. If you transpose to the right side, we divide. So 72 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72. Now what is the value of x? We got it 6 meters. Now we can find easily the dimensions by substituting the value of 6 in place of x. Now let us see. Length is 5x plus 4. 5x means 5 into x. So 5 into 6 plus 4. So write as it is plus 4. 5 6 are 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4, which is 34 meters. This is our required length. Now let us find what is breadth. Breadth is x minus 4. Now substitute 6 in place of x. So 6 minus 4, which is 2 meters. So what are our required dimensions? Length is 34 meters. Breadth is 2 meters. So how to check this? By substituting in the perimeter formula. 2 into L plus B. What is the length? We got it 34 plus breadth is 2. 34 plus 2, which is 36. So this is 2 into 36 is 72 meters. So which satisfies here. So this is the way we can check our answer. Now last but not least, length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 84 meters, find its length and breadth. Now once again, see the first statement very carefully because your complete sum depends on this. length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. As already we discussed, exceeds means more. We don't know here what is breadth. Let us take breadth of a rectangle as x meters. So as per the first statement, how is the length here? 4 meters more than the breadth. That means we add 4 to breadth to get length. So length of a rectangle is x plus 4 meters. Now what is given in the sum still? Perimeter of a rectangle is 84 meters. Now same like above sum, let us substitute these dimensions in the formula, then we find what is x. As we know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 84 meters. Now let us substitute 2 into length is x plus 4. X plus 4, this plus is formula plus, breadth is x, which is equal to 84. Now first you add the variables. 2 into x plus x. It means 1x plus 1x, which is 2x. Only one constant we have. So write plus 4, which is equal to 84. Now this is 2 into. When you transpose to the right side, we divide. So 2x plus 4 leaving here by 2. So simplify here. 2 1s are 2, 42s are 84. Now 2x plus 4 is equal to 42. Now let us solve this equation. Now left side we are adding 4 here. So when you transpose to the right side, we subtract 4. So 2x is equal to 42 minus 4. 42 minus 4 we get 38. Now 2x is 38. Here 2 is multiplied by x. So when you transpose to the right side, we divide by 2. So 38 by 2. So if you simplify here, 2 1s are 2 19s 38. So we get here x value as 19 meters. Just here this x is nothing but, according to the statement, first statement, this x is your breadth of a rectangle. Now you see here. Therefore, breadth x is equal to 19 meters. Length x plus 4, that is 19 plus 4, which is 23 meters. Now checking, you see here, by substituting in perimeter formula, 2 into L plus B. Length is 23 meters, breadth is 19 meters. 23 plus 19, which is 42. 2 42s are 84. This 84 meters is, which is our required perimeter of rectangle. This is the way we can verify our answers. Okay students, with this I conclude today's session. Practice all sums thoroughly, whatever I explained today. Do same sums as assignment. Thank you.